Can you hear that? The sound that's so beautiful, yet so deafening at the same time. The sound that you hear when you're alone in the dark. The sound that you hear when you commemorate the loved ones you've lost. The sound that you express when you're stuck in a shell. The sound that casts upon you like a wicked spell. The sound that can be so peaceful. The sound that Mother Nature releases from time to time. The sound that can be so disgraceful. The sound that occurs after a crime is done. The sound that occurs after injustice has won. The sound that you make when you don't ask for help. The sound that you make when you've got nothing left to lose except the heart beating in your chest. The sound that embraces your soul. The sound that gives you control. The sound that you hear when your friends leave you in the dust. The sound that you hear when you have no one left to trust. The sound that you make when you gaze at the stars. The sound that you make when you stare at your life from afar. Can you hear it now? The sound that's so beautiful, yet so deafening at the same time. I think you know what it is. I think you do.